Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and yes, and another unboxing and first impressions. So hope you're doing okay and enjoying your fragrances and whatever else you are doing. So Ralph's Club by Ralph Lauren. I believe there's a eau de parfum, there's a parfum, there's an elixir. I think that's sort of the group, but generally I like the eau de toilettes or maybe the EDT concentrations. I do reach for eau de toilettes if I can, and this one has just come available on Latino in the UK. It popped up as a newly available so I thought I'll give it a go. I was going to purchase one of these, and as soon as I was thinking about it, this popped up in stock, and as you can see, Ralph's Club by Ralph Lauren. Hello. Eau de Toilette. So we're going to unbox and have first impressions of this. You got some stuff all over the place, so we'll get on with the unboxing, and we'll have a first quick look around the box and the bottle. This isn't a review, I'm literally just going to unbox it and give it a first try. So you can see there's like a ribbed, and it is raised, there's a rib effect to the box. Again, eau de toilette, the logo there, nothing on that side, lots of ingredients right there. It is a refillable by the look of it, yep. And you got sort of batch codes and everything else. Can't quite read my batch code. It's 22Y400B, if anyone's interested. So, Ralph's Club. I've been looking at getting one of these for a while, and I've been putting it off, got a few other things, and as you do. And then again I was looking at getting one of these, and then the eau de toilette popped up, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go for the eau de toilette, because that's more my style. So I think most of the Ralph's Club bottles are black. This one has like a gradient, black on the sides, and then it fades in so you can actually see the juice and atomizer and whatever inside. At Ralph's Club, right, I do like the bottles. It's one of the things that attracted me to getting one in the first place. I do like ones that's somewhat like a whiskey hip flask sort of look to it. Okay, so you got Ralph Lauren on the back as well. Then you got a logo on top. So sort of again like a whiskey flask sort of thing going on. And you got a Ralph Lauren RL on top of the atomizer there. So looking forward to trying this. Again, when they're fresh, they might not smell of anything. Sometimes they need time in the bottle. We will see. So let's get on with first impressions. Nice misty atomizer, I like that. Oh, okay. Straight away, hit of slightly balsamic, fresh citruses. Bright and citrusy. Trying to get a focus in there. I would say woody. It's citruses, woods. It's coming across quite strong in the opening. It smells like, you know, some of that's been done before, but first impressions, the quality is pretty good for the price point. And citruses and woods at the moment. Smells pretty good. Yeah, it smells like it's going to lasts pretty well. It's got, excuse me, maybe a touch of like a spice, like a star anise or something like that in it. Calming down on my skin very quickly. Fragrances do that to me. They have the blast at the start, and they die off for about 20 minutes, and then they, once they start heating up on my body, that's when it starts pushing back out. But it's got some sort of smooth wood note in there, not like sandalwood, like a regular sort of woody backbone, but smoothed. Those citruses on top are very tart, not bitter. There's not really much in the way of sweetness in this, which is good. Yeah, everything's coming out is bloody sweet these days. Yeah, so this is going to be my scents for a couple of days. I'm going to give things a try, and then over the weeks probably wear them. Each fragrance, new stuff. I tend to wear a couple of times a week until a few weeks later, and then I might review. I like to give them at least sort of half dozen wearings before I put a review of something on. But right now, smells sort of semi-generic, but in a decent quality. Citruses, as I say, sharp citruses, bit of a background of woods, maybe some sort of a light star anise or some sort of a very light spice in the backbone. But so far, I think that's actually smelling pretty good. I will obviously eventually I will try the other ones, the other parfum, the parfum, whatever. So it's a absolute finger magnet at the top here. Oh, we'll wipe that off later. So Eau de Toilette smells okay, but nothing at the moment, nothing sort of groundbreaking or different. But it does smell pretty good. It's just off the top. It's actually starting to come through already. There's a bit of like a greenness to it. So citruses, green tinge with like a slight smooth wood, maybe a clean vetiver on the base. That's what it's coming across. I say I will be trying the other ones as well as and when I get around to it. I've got lots of other fragrances that I've purchased that I need to do first impressions and some reviews, and I've got lots of old fragrances that I've never reviewed, so I'm going to get through them first, I think, while I'll be wearing some of this newer stuff. So if you've tried any of the Ralph Lauren, the Ralph's Club fragrances, leave them in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Have you tried the Eau de Toilette? What do you think of the Eau de Toilette? Just leave any comments in the comment section. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, it would really help me out. I'll see you again soon on the next video.